as any amount can be given, smallest value will be 1 rupee. Smallest value will be 1 rupee. Therefore, it is the starting point. It is the starting point. The starting point is clear. Next. One rupee inserted to this. 1 rupee inserted. Right? So next one, what is the number to be checked? 2 rupee, right? Because if 1 is given, that is the next 2. Now what you are to do, continue the process in order. That is the second step. Continue the process in order. So how you are checking? 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, 4 rupee. That is the order. Therefore, don't still think how to give 10 at once. No. Step by step. Slowly proceed. Slowly proceed. So if 2 rupee is asked by someone, how to give 2 rupee? Can I insert 2 rupees to this one? No. Because then how to give 1 rupee? Therefore, I should keep without disturbing this bag. It is kept aside. Thereafter, 2 rupee. I can insert a 1 rupee to this. Therefore, with that 1 rupee and this 1 rupee, 2 rupee can be given. One option. So, do I have another option? Yes, yes. Even I can insert 2 rupees to this now, son. I can insert 2 rupees to this now. If 2 rupees inserted to that one, then when 2 rupees asking, I will give the whole bag to him, 2 rupees. Then 2 rupee also given. So if I insert 3 rupee, will I able to give 2 rupees? No, right? Then it is not. Therefore, here, it's supposed to be 2 rupee. Why not 1 rupee? Why not 1 rupee? So if I insert 1 rupee and 1 rupee for this, 1 rupee for that, and my number of bags is over very soon. I have only limited number of bags. Therefore, I should protect my bags as much as possible. Therefore, more the better if I can insert. More the better. If I can insert more and more, that would be better. So I am inserting the maximum amount possible to at this stage. Then how to give 3? How to give 3? Here 1 rupee, 2 rupee, someone asking 3 rupee, these 2 bags together can be given. Then I don't have to utilize the 3rd bag. With this, that job also done. How to give 4 rupee? Because I am going in order, son. How to give 4 rupee? Definitely, I will have to utilize this. I will have to utilize. Son, again I can insert 1 rupee. If 1 rupee is taken in, here 3 rupees are available. With that, 4 rupees. Yes. If I insert 2 rupees, still I can give 4. How? Here 2 rupees, another 2 rupees, altogether 4 rupees can be given. If I insert 3 rupees, 3 rupee from this, another rupee from that, 4 rupees can be given. If I insert 4 rupees, still possible, then give that 4 rupee. 5? No, 5 is not going to work out. Why, son? When I have 5 rupees here, that 5 rupee will be inside. I can't give 4. Why? Because all these 2, only 3 rupees. Here 5. I can't give 4. So that is why I'm telling you, don't jump into a number in middle. Because you want to ensure everything from the beginning can be given. Then how much to be inserted there? 4. Why? More the better. More the better. 4. How to give 5 rupees? Am I supposed to take another bag? No. Why? So 4 and this. How to give 6 rupees? These two? Yes. How to give 7 rupees? 4, 2, 1, 7. How to give 8 rupees now? Again I need another bag. I need another bag. I will keep on thinking. 1 inserting here possible. 7 here with this 8. 2 inserting there possible. 2 here. Another 6 here. 8. 3 again possible. 3 here. 4, 7 and this 8. Keeping 4 still possible. But I am thinking how to give 8. This 4, that 4, 8. 5 again yes. Why? 5 here. 2, 7 and with this 8. 6 again possible. 6 here. 2, 8. 7 again possible. 7 here. 1 here. 8. 8 yes again. Only that one 8. Then how much would insert there? 8. How much to this? How much to that? Can't hear. Now 16, you understand, right? 16. How much to this? Very good. How much to this? How much to this? How much for this? Right. How much for this? I can hear 2 numbers. We'll see. We'll see. Now that is the last bag. That is the last bag. Right? So how much coins was available with me? Only 1000. Now from that 1000 I have inserted. Finally what is available? That is the one to be inserted here, no sir? What is available? That is the one to be inserted there. So now are you sure I am having 512? When you go order, yes. That is the number in that order. But so now you should check how much available. The available amount is the one I can insert there. How much I have already inserted, son? How much I have already inserted? 511 inserted already. Are you sure? Yes. Let me to show you. Another property. So when you add these two, how much? 3. 1 less than this. So that is why I wanted that bag to insert that value, no, sir? Because I gave everything. It was 3. Then 4. I had to think separately with a new bag. When I add them all, how much? 7. 1 less than that. Right? When I add them all, how much? 15. 1 less than this. 1 less than, you can check 1 less than that. That is why you need a new bag. If you add them all up until this, how much? 31. If you add them all up until this, how much? 63. Add up until this, 127. Add up until this, 255. Add up until this. In order, it will be the next number 512, but when I add 1 less than this, 511. 511. Right. Therefore 511 I have already inserted. That is the one which is already utilized. Out of 1000, I had 1000. 511 already used. 489. Now it is to the last bag. So now are you sure now any amount can be given? Yes, because upon that I check one by one and we saw the series. We saw the pattern. Understood the pattern. We went. But at the time of completing the sum, you have another job. So recheck. Recheck. Always, son. When we finish the sum, we should recheck with the data given. Now I gave you 3 steps. But in the third step, continue the process, right? What I am doing in the third step. Continue the process in order. Finally, last one. Finally, recheck the data at the time of completion. At the time of completion.